Okay, this video is to show how to download your videos from the Plex media server on the HD6 Amazon Fire tablet. Now, obviously this would apply to any Amazon tablet using the latest version of Plex. So let's go ahead here and let's open up Plex. So if you've never done this before, what's going to happen here is the server is going to encode the video in any quality you request, and then it's going to sync it to the device so that you can watch it offline. So what I'm going to do here is, I think I'll go to one of my videos that's not too big. We'll pick a Gunsmoke video here, and we'll pick the first episode. And the first thing you're going to notice is there's a little arrow here. That arrow is for downloading and syncing. So when you find the episode you want, you go ahead and click it. And you're going to get a box that pops up, and this is going to ask you what quality you would like the video at. And I default to high quality, but there is an adjustment to this in the settings. You can set it to any base quality you want and then change it from there. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this down to medium quality. And I'm going to say OK. Now, when I do that, the thing that really throws a lot of people off is it basically says there in a little box that popped up, queued for syncing. But it doesn't really show what it's doing here. I mean, there's no indication that it's doing anything. So, you know, someone that hasn't used Plex before, it's kind of confusing. So what you want to do here is, I don't know if you noticed what I did, there's 3 dots here in the upper right hand corner. You go ahead and you click that, and you're going to see an option that says sync now. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And that brings you really to the sync screen. And this is the screen that you're going to get to that's going to show you exactly what it's doing. So if you look down here, you notice the episode of Gunsmoke that I asked about is converting, and it's giving you the speed at which it's converting, telling you approximately how long it's going to take to convert. You see about 1 minute, and the name of my server. And it's going to convert this video and for the putting it on my tablet, which is in the parentheses there. Now, the thing is, what people don't understand a lot of times is this is a 2-step process. First thing it does is it converts the video to the format you want, the quality you want, and then it's going to go ahead and sync it to the device. So that's really 2 steps. And you'll notice here it shows you how much storage you have left on the device. You can specify on this exactly how much space you want to reserve for downloading videos. I think I did maybe about I don't know, 3 gig or so. There's not much room on these Fire tablets. Up here, the sync items is what I am syncing and what I've already synced. You notice I have a TV show, the first one, They're Humans. That's already been synced. That's on the device. If you wanted to get rid of that, if you click on sync items right here, you get a little button here where you can delete it. So this is how you'll delete the item off the device once you get done watching it. Right here, the delete method. Okay, so if you come down here, you're going to notice no servers transcoding. My syncing, my converting on that video is done. But now I have to come up here and click on sync. And this is what's going to pull it down to the device. It says right there, syncing media, and it gives the name of the episode that I'm syncing. And you can see the progress bar is starting. So even after it converted the video, I still have to hit that sync button if I want to pull it down to the device. Let's get back to Plex there. Now that went back to the menu, and anytime you want to go back to that sync screen, just click the 3 buttons up here in the corner again. Go to sync now, and here I go. And it'll begin syncing again. So if you don't have a chance to sync this media to your device, as long as you've clicked synced once, the next time you go back into Plex, it's going to pull the item down until it's fully synced. Okay, and this will take a few minutes to do. As you can see, it's downloading it to the device right now. I'm going to go ahead and pull it down to the device. The next step is going to be, where is it going to be once it's on the device, and I'll come back to that as soon as this is done. Okay, well, the syncing of the item to the device is done, and you'll notice now it says in the menu that that episode of Gunsmoke is synced, meaning it's on the device. Now, I know a lot of people will say to themselves, well, how do I watch it? And this is very difficult because it's easy once you know what you're doing, but once again, there's no indication of exactly what to do to watch this video. So basically what you have to do is go down and go to the previous menu by hitting the back button. So you're on your main screen. And up in the left-hand corner here is a listing of my server. But also, this is where you pull down the little arrow and select your tablet, because you'll see when you select this, there's this tablet listed under here. And the item that you want to watch is on the tablet. So what you do is you click on that, my tablet, and this pops up. And once again, now it says here, open the navigation menu and select the library to view content on this server. Well, a lot of people will look at the screen and say, well, where is the item I just downloaded? I want to watch it. Well, in order to do that, you have to go ahead and click on this corner menu, and then you have to go to the menu of the item that you downloaded. That was a TV show. So that's going to be under TV shows. And there's the items that I just sank. Now, you also notice when you go to that menu, there's an item on here that says watch later. You would think that's where it would be. Well, it's not there. If you go to watch later, there's nothing there. And that's a little bit different option. So that's not what you're going to use. You're going to go to TV shows. You're going to find your item that you downloaded here. You select it. And here it is. And then to play it, well, you just tap on the item. And then just hit play, which is right here. And now the item, which is on the device, is going to play. And once you do this a few times and you're really adept at syncing the items to your device, you'll get the hang of it. But it is a bit confusing when you first start out. So I hope this video has helped you. I'll be making other videos on how to do this on other devices, because it is a little different on every device. It's a little different on the iPad. It's a little different on Windows 8. So I'll be making some other videos to show you how to do this on the other devices. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a good viewing on your device of your choice.